I am John Maricez Catalosas. So today we have our problem Fundamental 6-1. So the problem is determine the force in each member of the truss. So state if the members are in tension or compression.
So we have here our figure already given, our distance, which is 8, and then also here we have 4 feet. So first things first, we already written down the given. We are going to identify the reaction at support A. So what are the reaction at support A? So mani siya ato ang support A. Tapos ato ang B, ato ang C, and then D. Para ma-determine natin ang support sa reaction A, we already have here a roller. So, ato lang siya i-assume na iyahang direction is upwards, which is ato niya siya na iwan. Next is our pin at C. So, makita natin din na mo na ito ang pin. So, diretso na ta maka-determine nga ay buwag iyahang kanon, which is the CX and the CY. After this, as we can see, nga natin zero force member. So, asa nato ma-determine ang zero force member? So, natin joint B and joint D. So, makita natin din nga wala siya external force. At the same time, wala po tayo nakita ang roller and then pin. Pin. That makes sense. Ano gitawag siya o? Zero force member. And then, ano natin 45 degrees? Dili sa itong given. As we can see, na, di ba the triangle? Sa itong triangle, given na ang distance, which is the horizontal and the vertical line. So, i-assume na natin din na nanatay 45 degrees at each side. Kaya di ba, we have to determine sa isa ka triangle na may angle. So, since triangle naman siya, and then symmetrical siya, so same yung sila natin.
Excuse me. This is a pagkuha 45 degrees.
So, gikuha sa pagkuha sa 45 degrees, we are going to use a formula of arctan. And then, we have already the distance, diba? So, turn na siya i-substitute. Tapos, i-inverse na to, which becomes tangent. 4 divided by 4, which gives us 45 degrees. Then, ano same sila? It's because symmetrical man ang triangle na to.
So first, to solve our figure, we must first moment at C.
So, kailangan ito pangita ng moment of C?
So, mag-moment at C ka because duwa kami ang reactions na link, which is our CY and our CX. Pero first, anong nag-moment ng tauna? Ano wala mga joint A, joint B, joint C? Because nakita na ito dali na unknown ang ato ang mga forces. So that's why magwasa na sa moment in order para makuha natin sila. Dahil
Okay, so we have here our counterclockwise summation of M. C is equals to 0. So, always 0 din na siya.
because of equilibrium.
Very good. So, after this, we are going to proceed to the forces A1. So,
So to get our CY, we must remember our summation of Fy is equals to 0. So we assume that if it's going up, it is positive. So, as you can see, natin AY, which is going up, positive, and we have our CY, which is going down, which means negative. CY is equals to
0.
0. So, since natin AY, ano naman siya, given, so we have 2 to 5 minus CY is equals to 0. If we transpose it, ang atong CY may positive, so we have our positive 2 to 5.
Okay, next is our process of CX. So, i-determine nato ang summation of F1. Summation of Fy ay Fx. I-assume nato pa-right siya, which is positive, is equals to 0. So, since nakuha naman nato ang AY o CY, ato buhatan nato na siya i-substitute. We already have our given counts di ba diri? So, atong buhatan is 450
Negative 450.
LB, which is muna siya to ang CX is negative 450 LB. Tapos, atong na siya i-substitute to 0, it means may muna siya to 0. So, kung i-transpose nato siya, ang atong CX is equals to 450 pounds ng yapon. Please write.
Since nakuha naman nato ang yan given, pwede rin naman siguro sa itong joints. So, first is, siyempre, na ito ang BD kay 0 siya, kay ano?
Wala siya external force, and then wala siya
Wala siya yung support o wala po siya yung reaction. So, pwede rin naman susunod sa itong joint A. So, joint A tawag na. So, hindi mo talamin, kaya itong A. So, as you can see here, natay AD. Si BD. AD. Tapos kaya din, kaya nato ang AB. So, here are AB. So, natay AY. Yapon. Which is 225. Kung napagdaling, so, I mean, actually, namatay degrees na rin, which is 45. So, kani siya, at sa ubos is our AD cos 45. And at one here, kani siya is AD sin 45. So, after na ito, human figure, or our FPD, we have our service ito ang FY. Which is, if we assume that if it goes up, it is positive. So, as you can see here, we have our AY, which is 2 to 5, and our AD, which is going down, AD sine is equals to 0. So, mag-isang na ito na tayo, calculator, so, ayun siya. Sine 45. Answer. 2 to 5. Sine. So, ayan. Answer sa FY, I mean, FAB is which is 318.20 pounds. So, kung saan man siya na extension ba siya na compression. So, as we can see here na, kaning AY, I mean, kanin siya kahit compressed, which means kanin siya is compression. So, ito na po see. So, dahil ito sa atong forces along Fx is equals to 0. So we assume that if it goes to the right side, AD cross 45 is equals to 0. So, makuha na tayo ito AB, which is 225 pounds. Tension. Tapos, makuha na tayo sa itong joint A, pwede na ito mag-joint B. So, joint B. Thank you, Bern. So, we have here, joint B. Ang ato ang BC. Here is our BC. Cross kayo din siya. Ay, sorry. So, cross kayo din siya is here, which is our AB. So, na naman tayo given. Buka na ito yung 2 to 5. Cross kayo din taas na B. So, we have here fx. So, assume again that it is going to the right side, it is positive. So, fx is equals to 0, which is not 2 to 5. If it's going to the left, it's going to become negative. So, 2 to 5 plus our BC. So transpose na to, may tabo is BC is equals to positive 2 to 5. Yes. And dali niya siya pag separate roots. So, wala na tayo Fy because, as you can see, BD is equals to 0. Pwede na ito mag-solve sa mga joint C, which is our last joint. So, naatay, actually, dagan siya. Pagdalali mo na itong C. So, naatay CY going down, which is 2 to 5. Naatay CX, which is 450. Naatay, padulong mo dali, sa taas. Here, ako ang CD. Since naka-angle na po, nato siya daling 45 degrees. Tapos kaya siya ang ako ang BC, which is 2 to 5. So again, kaya naka-angle na siya, nakatay CD sin 45 o ako ng CD cos 40 degrees. So, kaya ako ma-answer niya Fy, which is equals to 0. So, if it's going up, it is positive again. So, natay negative 2 to 5 because it is going down. Natay positive na CD, which is positive CD sin 45. It's equals to 0. So, transpose again. Transpose na ito siya. So, meron siya CD sin 45 is equals to 2 to 5 sin 45. Yung answer is 380.80. So, ang dali lang siya. As you can see here, ang atong Fy, which is ang 2 to y, so pilit na po siya, masya na compress, which means tension ang So, thank you.
Good day everyone, I'm Ginadis Leader. So today, I'm going to solve the fundamental problem at chapter 6-2. So the problem is to determine the force in each member of the truss state if the members are in tension or compression. So here is our free body diagram, or diagram of a triangular truss, in which we have here our point A, point B, point C, and point D. So, as you can see, our reaction, our support at point A is a roller reaction, and the point B is a pin reaction. So, we're going to identify first the reactions of each support. So the roller reaction has a one reaction of vertical, so we're going to call this as X. And we're going to use this. We're going to call this as Bx. Since it has two reactions, as in X and Y reactions. So here, we finished identifying our supports, and then at joint P, we have here our 300-pound external force, and our point C is what we consider a zero force member. So what is a zero force member? Zero force members are forces are joints that has no external force or support reactions that are applied in one specific point. That is what the zero force members are. So if we're going to write it, this is CA is equals to 0 force because it's a zero force member. So first is to solve the moment at point B. We can, in solving a method of joints, we only use two equations, but in completion, I'm going to solve its moment. So, we're going to assume that our positive is counterclockwise with the summation of moment at point B is equals to 0. So, we're going to substitute its values. We have here our AX. It's perpendicular distance of 3 feet. So, since it's going counterclockwise, it is positive. So, AX times its distance of 3 feet. And we have here our external force. This is our reference point, our distance, and its perpendicular force, which is the 300 pounds. Since it is going counterclockwise, we have here the positive 300 pound and its distance of 4 feet is equals to 0. We're going to transpose this AX into here. So AX is equals to divided by 3, and the 300 will turn into a negative. So 300 times 4 is equals to negative 1, 2. Negative 1. So we divide it. Negative 1, 2 times, divide its 3 is negative 400 pounds. So, what we assume at the reaction at AX is wrong. So, the reaction at AX will turn into here. The arrow will go here, and this is our new AX. Once we finish, we're going to solve its summation of forces along y. So we're going up positive, summation of forces along y, so it's the 0. As you can see, the dy and the 300 will go. So dy minus 300 pounds is equals to 0. So we're going to transpose it. It turns into py is equal to 300 pounds. That's the answer. The answer in our dy reaction, and the forces along fx, summation of forces along fx was the 0. So we have here our ax, which is negative ax. Negative ax and the positive bx. Equals to 0. So here it turns into negative because of the new ax. We're going to substitute its value, which is ax is 400 pounds. So negative 400 pounds plus the bx. 0 transpose it turns into bx is equal to positive 400 So what we assume that our Bx is correct. So that is how you solve its reactions. Now, the real deal is to solve for the joints. So first, we're going to solve at joint D. So draw its three-body diagram first, its joint, and identify its reactions. We have here the 300-pound force. 300-pound force. And we're going a member here at D to C. D to C. And a member right here at D to A. So we're going to assume that our forces along DC is in tension. So tension is if the arrow is going away from the joint, it is a tension, and if it is going toward the joint, it is compression. We're going to assume our DC is in tension, and we're going to assume that our DA, our forces along DA, is in compression. This is point B. And since it's a slope, we're going to draw its triangle of 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5. So how did I get to 3, 4, 5? It is in right here. Since this is a triangle, one triangle, there are 3, our opposite and our adjacent before. So in our algebra, there are 3 squared plus the 4 squared is equals to 5. The answer is 5. So that's how we get the hypotenuse of 5. And we're going to identify its forces of x and y. So here, and here the DC by its vertical component of 3 over 5. And DC its horizontal component of 4 over. So that's how you identify its components. Then we're going to solve its forces along y and x. So summation of forces along y is equals to 0. We will assume that going up is positive. So we have here our negative 300 and plus the DC of 3 over 5 is equals to 0. We're going to transpose it, so DC is equals to 3 over 5. So 300. Divide 3 over 5. So 300 divided by 3 over 5 is 500 pounds. So since this is a joint, since what we are shown is that the DC is in tension, and since our result is positive, our assumed member reaction is in tension, so it is correct. Then we're going to solve the summation of forces along x. Equals to 0. So we have here our DC. It's going right, so positive. 4/5. And negative the dA, since it is going to the left, is equals to 0. So we're going to transpose it as dA and substitute its values BC. So BC is 500 pounds. So 500 times 4/5. Resolve it. 500 times 4/5 is equals to 400 pounds. So since our answer is positive, we assume that our member is in compression, or the joint is in compression. So what we assume is right. So here is the answer at E. And now we're going to solve the point at A. So joint A. Joint A. The point and the AX. The AX is A and the B, AB. The member at AB and the member at A to C, and our member at A to B. So this is the member at A. So we're going to show that our AB is in tension, and our action right here, which is the AX. So AX is equal to 400 pounds. And our AD, or the DA, is equals to 400 pounds. So if it's in compression, as you can see here, it's in compression, so the arrow is in the opposite side. So compression at the point A. And this right here is our member at C to A, or A to C. So since C to A is a zero force member, so we're not going to solve this member since it is a zero force member. So we're going to solve its summation of forces along y is equals to 0. Up. So as you can see, only AB. So AB is also considered as a zero force member. And solving for our forces along Fx is equals to AB negative AD, since our positive AD, it is going to the right, and negative AX, that's 0. So the result will be 0. I'm not going to the result because we have the value of each of the members. So 0. So since the truss at point D and point B is behaving like a single truss, or as you can see here, it is behaving in a single truss, in which if we draw it, here remember point D, which is tension and compression, and way in which we progression. So as you can see here, this part right here is acting like a single truss. So in the roles of the joints, the method of joints, DC or CP is equals to 500 pounds. And it is in tension. It is the final answer.